Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how I installed the Mabett tailgate table on our Bronco. I originally had the Ford accessories Molle panel on there and it worked, but it sagged. This is obviously stainless steel, so it's not going to sag and hopefully it doesn't metal. Let's go check it out.
This is version 1 of the Mabett Tailgate Table. It's constructed from powder-coated stainless steel and has a Molle panel integrated into it. It comes with all the mounting hardware you need and even the tools to install it. And it has locking clasps to keep it closed tightly. Along the top edge we're going to put a foam gasket, and there are these rubber bump stops as well. And these are going to help mitigate any kind of rattling. First step is to remove my Ford Performance Molle panel. I'm going to put a link to that install video above so you can see how to take off the plastic panel at the beginning. The first bracket has two oblong washers that need to slide through these holes, turn them 90 degrees, and then tighten them down. Once situated, pull the bracket towards you and then you can tighten them down easily. That oblong washer may try and spin around on you, so just put your finger behind there and hold it tight. And repeat the process on the other side. Next step is to install the hinge bracket in the lower opening. It's the same premise as before. Insert the oblong washer into the hole, turn it 90 degrees, pull it tight, and then tighten up the bolt. Just note that this bracket has a little 90-degree lip that needs to be at the top. You need to stick this foam gasket along the top edge of the upper panel. You can align it easily because there are pre-cut holes where the bolts go through. And press it down firmly. Using 4 hex bolts, you can now mount this panel to the top brackets. Make sure the rubber bump stops are at the top of the panel. Just hand tighten the hex bolts for now. And once you've aligned the panel, you can then tighten it down. The foam gasket should now be squashed against the upper edge of that panel. Installing the tabletop, you want to have a hex bolt with a locking washer, a washer, the bracket, and then a plastic washer. The instructions tell you to have the nylon nut on the outside. I wanted to have the hex bolt on the outside as a nicer look. This part is a little bit fiddly, so take your time and you'll be able to get it all aligned. Just make sure that plastic washer is in between the tabletop and the bracket, as that's what's going to help stop rattling as well. And repeat this on the other side. Next, you're going to attach the tension cords, and make sure you have the plastic washer in between the strap and the tabletop to stop any rattling. And just don't tighten these down too much, otherwise they're not going to extend when you open up the table. Now you can check the operation of the table. Next you can install the Molle panel. It's held in place with 12 small hex bolts. You can just screw them in and hand tighten them for now. Once you're happy with the placement, tighten them all down. The kit includes 4 hooks that you can attach to the top Molle panel. You can use them to hang tools or utensils. Just remember to remove them before closing the table. These bags are not included with the table, they're from the kit I removed earlier on. And that's it, the table install's complete. It's a great looking, strong and durable addition to the Bronco. It's a nice quality and should last a long time. And this shows just how easy it is to unlock it with one hand. And again, locking it with one hand is easy too. Very happy with how this table turned out.
As you can see, it was a really easy install. It's very sturdy, it's durable, it's stainless steel, it's powder coated, so it's going to last a good long time. I've driven it around for a little bit and I haven't had any rattles at all. There's these nice rubber bump stops up here which really stop that table from banging against the tailgate and really cushions the blow. Great piece of kit. So if you found this video useful and you want to see some more videos like this in the future, give us a like, maybe subscribe, and I'll catch you next time.